Do you feel overwhelmed by investing? Too many options, too much noise, and you're still asking, where do I even begin? Welcome to InvestNexus, where complexity becomes clarity. At InvestNexus, we simplify investing for everyone, from absolute beginners to experienced traders. Learn how global markets really work. Decode stocks, crypto, real estate, and startups. Master risk management and smart diversification. Use AI-powered insights to make smarter decisions. Stay ahead of global economic trends. Every piece of content we create is designed to give you real, actionable knowledge. No confusing jargon, no empty hype. Thousands of investors from around the world trust InvestNexus to guide their financial journey. Because here, you're not just watching another channel, you're joining a community of people building wealth together. Hit follow, join the movement. Let's turn your financial goals into reality together. InvestNexus, your global gateway to smart investing.